Would you rather make $10 to $20 per sale or up to $5,000 per sale? Hi, I'm Tina, and in this video, I will introduce you to high-ticket dropshipping and show you how to make $100,000 a month, even if you are just getting started. So let's dive in. High-ticket dropshipping means selling premium products, the kind of items that cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, unlike low-cost products, where you earn a few dollars per sale. Here you're making hundreds or even thousands in profit from just one order. So instead of chasing hundreds of small sales, you make real money faster with fewer customers. Let's compare. With low-cost products, say you make 10 sales at $15 each. That's $150 in total. Now compare that with 10 sales at $2,000 each. That's $20,000 in revenue. The amount of effort might be the same, but the payoff completely different. This is how to make $100,000 a month with high-ticket dropshipping, not by working harder, but by working smarter. And the best part, people are actually searching for these high-ticket items every day. From luxury home decor and office furniture to smart fitness gear and electric vehicles, the market of high-ticket items is booming. Consumers are looking for quality. They are ready to spend more and more for long-lasting premium products. And here's another reason to get in: less competition. Not many dropshippers go for high-ticket products. That means you have more space to grow and stand out. Success in high-ticket dropshipping starts with choosing the right products. What should you look for? Of course, high quality, then strong demand, then proven sales history, low competition, and of course, high perceived value. And that's exactly what Sellvia gives you. We've handpicked the best high-ticket products with real profit potential, including product descriptions, pro visuals, and even videos. No guesswork, just add them to your store and start selling. You will find product packages right in your dashboard, and there will be a link in the description below as well. These products can bring in from $1,000 to $5,000 per sale, giving you a clear path to reach $100,000 a month. Now, promotion is the key, but it doesn't have to be complicated. If you want to make $100,000 a month with high-ticket dropshipping, you need the right tools to get noticed. That's why we created the High Profit Premium Video Collection, a ready-to-use package of professionally made promotional videos. You can use them on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, well, anywhere you market your store. These videos help you to build trust, show off your products in style, and drive real results. Video is actually one of the most effective ways to sell online, and we've done all the hard work for you. So let's recap. You can earn thousands of dollars per sale, not a few dollars. You will save time and effort with ready-to-go high-ticket packages. You will boost your sales with premium promo videos. And you will have the tools to build a serious income stream. That's how to make $100,000 a month with high-ticket dropshipping, even as a beginner. Everything you need is right in your Sellvia dashboard, and you will find more details and product links below this video. Don't wait. This could be your next big step or your first one. Click the link, browse the packages, and start growing your profits today. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you got any questions, I'm always happy to help. And see you in the next video.